Hi, this is Ishan Shane from Red Sports. I'm right outside the Ambani residence. The event United in Triumph was held inside the Ambani residence, and overall it was a fantastic event. This whole event was organized to celebrate and rejoice the fact of Olympic and Paralympic athletes doing such wonders at the recent Paris Games that were held. So, we saw a bunch of athletes come in, around 140 of them actually entered, and they all graced the occasion, filled with people. Obviously, everyone was overjoyed with the fact of seeing everyone present. Neeraj Chopra, the boy with the golden arm, Srijesh, Manu Bhakar, Lakshya Sen, to name a few. All of them were part of this event, and it was held with the main reason of celebrating and, just showcasing the love for our Paralympic and Olympic athletes. And, the minute all the athletes entered, you could feel the amount of energy and the happiness that was all around that room, because everyone was so proud to be a part of that moment. Overall, it was a fantastic event. There were a few Bollywood celebrities as well who came to the occasion, and everyone was delighted. Miss Neeta Ambani, who gracefully, spoke to the media, and she told everyone that, she's extremely delighted of the fact that she can host all our athletes in her house, and she's extremely proud of what some of them have actually gone on to achieve. So it's just a moment of celebration. We have to promote, we have to celebrate all our athletes, because these are the individuals who go on and make our country really, really proud. This is what it's all about, and this is what we should help and take the Paralympic and Olympic Games much further. Fantastic event overall, great ambience, great surroundings, good positive vibes, athletes coming in, clicking photos, speaking. Overall, just a top-notch event, and I'm looking forward to attending such more events in the future. This is Ishan Shane signing off from Red Sports. I'll see you all in the next one.
Thank you.
आज बड़ी स्पेशल शाम है। आज पहली बार भारत के सभी ओलंपियंस और पैरालंपियंस एक ही साथ एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म पर आ रहे हैं। We are so proud of them. All Indians, we are proud of each and every one of them. And today, we are going to honor them and show them the respect and the love that we have for them. On behalf of Reliance Foundation, we would like and we would wish that United in Triumph can become a movement for unity and inclusiveness in sport and in life. और बस इसीलिए आज celebration है, जहाँ we are going to show that all of them are coming together and coming united together. And thank you so much. आप सबको धन्यवाद आज आने के लिए. शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद.
Thank you.